Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Happy Tuesday morning, and it's time for another live trading session, ladies and gentlemen. We are about to get started. Let me just double check something very quickly here. Um, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let me just. Okay, we should be good. Just want to make sure that okay. Excellent. We are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. Can anyone send the link in the Discord on Set and Forget, please? That'll be very appreciated. I did send a message that I was late, but completely forgot to post the link though. So if someone can do it, that'll be very appreciated once again. Okay, so hopefully you had a great weekend, guys. Here it was kind of rainy. We had the Formula One Grand Prix, and it was an exciting one, though. It was an exciting one, but oh my gosh, it was terrible, the weather. And after that, I went to the Snoop Dogg show. Holy, yeah, that was fun. I realized that the crowd was so old, though, because I mean, Snoop is now 52, so like, no choice. All right, guys. So let's break down some charts. I have no clue on what's going on, to be honest. I was so busy this weekend and yesterday. I didn't feel right, so I didn't trade. I didn't look at the chart at all. So it's gonna be. I'm gonna do that with you from scratch this morning, guys. Okay. So let's do this. Let's get this banner going. By the way, guys, is this? Let me know, say hi in the chat. Let me know if you hear me right now, because you guys are being quiet. Like, what's going on here? And don't forget to smash goddamn like button, guys, as you're coming in. Okay, let me see here. Comments. Banner. There we go. Okay, now we are good to go. All right, so we got an alert here on NZD Cats. Let's just go check it out. That was on June 7th. Yeah, that's a couple days ago. What the fuck? Okay. So H4 golden zone. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I guess I missed the move last week. What? It was June 7th. June 7th was Friday. Oh, I see. I see. I see. Yeah, Friday was wow. The NFP. Holy shit. Yeah. So what happened with my trades here on AUD CAD? I got stopped on at break even, and same shit with AUD USD. So very sad, especially that I was like here in massive profits. And It's a good thing though. I'll move my stuff at break even. It was NFP. It can go both ways. It can go like skyrocketing or just down. It was one or the other, you know. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm not gonna let this trade turn into a loser. That would be so stupid. So I decided to close at break even, and that's it, you know. So both trade got hit at break even. Oh well, it is what it is. So now let's see what we got for this week, guys. I need to let me know the suggestion you have. Let me know the pair that you want to look at. Why you're looking at those pair? Are you looking to buy, sell? What's your what are you missing? What's your confluences? You know, what's your thought process basically for looking this pair? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we got some comments. So finally, you guys are waking up right now. Okay, cool. I Sensei currently on Hill Station. Very bad network here. Posted link on Discord. Thank you, Chris. Very appreciated. Raf, good morning, boss. Good morning, bud. Good morning, Bilal. How are you, bud? Okay, so let's jump into it. Actually, let me just do something very quickly. Okay, now we're good. Now we are good to go. Let me see here. And guys, don't forget to smash the like button. That helps to reach out to more people, not for my personal interest, just to be able to help more people. Okay, so now let's start with GJ. GJ, GJ. What's going on with GJ? So we got GJ bullish here on the weekly. Looks like last week we got a bearish engulfing. So look, we might have a pullback here on the weekly. Let's check out the daily. Daily is still bullish. We had a small pullback to this previous structure, and we start to push back up. What about the 4 hour? 4 hour is still bearish. Okay. Not much I can do with GG. I'm going to keep GG on top because this is my scalping pair and this is where I use the dogtail setup. So we're going to keep that there. Let's move down now to AUD CAD. Is there anything else to do with AUD CAD now? I don't know if you remember, but last week or two, this chair is driving me nuts. I need to take time to buy a new chair. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. What I was saying here. Yeah, okay. So 2 weeks ago when I took that trade, I don't know if you guys remember, but I said the only thing that I don't like about that trade was the fact that the weekly never had like a real pullback. I don't know if you remember that, but if you go back 2 weeks on my live stream, I talked about AUD CAD and AUD USD. That was the only thing. The thing that was giving me a little bit of confluence, or not confluence. That's not the right word I'm looking for. That allowed me to take it. It's at least we had retested, this structure right here, which is also like a weekly area of interest right here, So you got resistance, resistance, resistance. So you had a area of interest here. It's not my favorite one because it's not like a big decent pullback, but still. Okay, so now what else? Let's take a look here. The daily. Data's been ranging, dude. I've been in that trade for like horrible. Oh, that's a ED cat. That one was less long. This one a couple of days only, but still. So again, now we are bearish now on the daily. We got the weekly bullish and the 4 hour bearish. So we cannot do shit right here. So I'm gonna remove this. AD/USD. Let's do weekly. And guys, by the way, guys, I am doing those live with you. I didn't add any look whatsoever at the market since Friday. Okay, so we're gonna do them all. I mean, most of them. There's some of them that are just disgusting, right? Okay, rock and roll, baby. Okay, let's see. We got some comments coming in. VC. AUD NZD for sales, been in since yesterday for sales. Okay, definitely going to take a look at that. We're going to put AUD and NZD on the list. VC might go down to previous 4 hour structure points. Okay. Check out NU. Can't send my chart as I'm out, but looking for selling counter trend trade. Weekly bearish engulfing and currently waiting for price to retest daily previous structure, which is also GZ golden zone. Okay. Also, Sensei, check out NG counter trend for sales. Currently waiting for H4 engulfing to close one. Okay, those are a good suggestions. We'll go take a look at those. Okay, so let's start with the one we have here on the watch list since last week. Like I said, this is the trade that I unfortunately got stopped at break even. Fucking NFB. God damn. Okay, so let's start from scratch here. Weekly, we are bearish. Okay, so that was the thing I also mentioned 2 weeks ago when I took that trade. That was the thing that was like kind of bugging me, is like I was going against my weekly, but still. Now the daily is still bullish. Yes, we are still bullish here at the moment, but barely, so I don't like this. Yeah, so nothing to do with AUD later. Okay, Euro AUD. Euro AUD at one point was looking nice last week, so I don't know. Let's see. So we got a weekly bullish. Okay. We have the daily. Oh, daily now is bearish. Okay, so let me remove all those so it's less confusing. Perfect. Now we are bearish on the daily. Daily lower low and daily, where are you, lower high. Here we go. All right, for our time frame we are also bearish. We're gonna adapt and adjust this chart right here. So we just created a new lower low. Okay. So let's recap this. So weekly bullish. Well, we got the daily and the 4 hour. So it can be a day trade since we got the daily and the 4 hour in sync. Honestly, I just don't like the fact that we are at this solid weekly area of interest and this major QP. Okay. So I personally would wait to go under this area. So I'm not interested. Later. All right, GN. I'm trying to go fast, guys, because we have a lot of pairs to look at since I didn't look at anything yet. Actually, yeah, okay. Okay. Here, GN looking interesting here. We got GN pullback inside that weekly golden zone. Okay. Nice rejection right here. You see support form. Is that a major QP? No. Oh, yes. We got 27,700. Okay. Okay. Let's go check out the daily. Daily just flipped bullish. Interesting. I like it. Okay. Did we find something? Daily high, daily high low. Okay. 4 hour. Oh, wait a second. 4 hour. 4 hour is now bullish. So let's do this and this. Okay, so now where can we have this pullback? The pullback might go into this area right here. So I'm gonna place an alert. It's gonna say GN. Entering H4 GZ. Let's remove this. Okay, so now let's recap this. So we got the weekly beautiful pullback after creating a high. So beautiful pullback right here. We're ready to push up. The daily had to go bearish for having this pullback inside that golden zone. And now we are bullish. So now we're just waiting for a small pullback like what we're having right now. And that's beautiful. I like this. I really do. I really like this. Now we know that the area, the golden zone is right there, but are we rejecting 382? Because we know that 382 is also another, here we go. That's what I thought. So you see here, 382 is another area of rejection. I prefer the golden zone, obviously. But let's check out on the lower time frame. So let's adjust our lines here. Okay, so we're bullish from there to there. Okay, cool. So let's do this and this. Okay, so what about the 30-minute then? 30-minute. Okay, so 30-minute here we have a pull. Okay, so 30-minute when bearish. Where's those lines? Sorry guys. Okay. So it was bullish from there to there. So you see here, I'm gonna do it with you guys. So okay, we went bullish, right? Boom. And after that, we flip bearish right here. So let's establish that. Since then, we created here, that's a lower low. I'm not gonna adjust the color right away. So here we just form a new, actually from there to there. There we go. And after that, god damn, Sasha. We went bearish here. And we just flipped bullish. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got something. You know what? Let's put up this desk. Um. Okay, so now we got the like I said, we got the 30 minute that just flipped bullish. That's great. Now just waiting for pullback. Yo, I like this one. Let's put it green because it's getting ready. It's getting ready, guys. It's getting ready. What about the 1 hour? Did we say 1 hour is bullish from there to there? Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so definitely gonna keep an eye here on GN. So mostly what I would like here to see to be perfect, I would love to see like this full pullback at this golden zone on the 4 hour. So that would be fantastic. If not, just gonna be waiting here for 30-minute small pullback and engulfing candle. That's it. And here we go. We got our bearish candle right now that just closed. So now we should see a pullback and waiting for engulfing. So this looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. Okay, so I think we got one to look for. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Want to see some fire emoji or something in the chat? Are you guys awake? I need to know you guys are awake and you're with me, man. Damn. Um. Okay. What's next? Let's go see the chat. We got two more to do on our watch list, and after that, we'll go to your request, guys. And it was my old watch list. It's just like I need to clear it out now. Chris, check. Okay, is that answer that? How are you? Kindly check USDCHF. Okay, social scientist. Thank you. I love your. I kind of like your image there. Your pick profile, bro. NZDGPY for sales. All right, let me know why though. Let me know why, guys. Let me know. I need to know. Like, what's your thought process? What are you looking for so I can understand more? But I will definitely go check it out. We got some fire emoji coming up. Let's go. Bomb. Love it. Yeah, I'm like a kid, man. What do you want? What do you want me to do? Okay, so GPBCHF. Let's go. All right, cool. So let's go. So weekly here. What's going on? So GN, no, not GN, sorry, GBBCHF. We just passed this weekly area of interest, which is also actually why it's like okay, which is also previous structure point. Now let's see this pullback. Where are we at on that pullback? Where are we at on that pullback? We are right inside that weekly golden zone, ladies and gentlemen. So that is in sync with the area of interest, which is beautiful. Actually, let's identify that. Weekly golden zone. Yeah, I got some heart coming up here. Let's go. Yeah, smash that goddamn like button. Guys, we should be at least 100% like ratio right now. You know, like what's going on? Like, is the like button defect or something? Like elbow drop it, you know? Smash it with your head, do something. Okay, so daily is bullish. Daily is bullish. We got the pullback. We're really close to that support though. But that's okay. So we got a weekly bullish, daily bullish. 4 hour is bearish. Okay, so we're still bearish. So the 4 hour, the best thing for this 4 hour would be to do like this, and whatever the fuck price wants to do here. But I need price to do a lower low here, comes back above here, break structure, come back down and retest to go to the upside. Okay, so I need the 4 hour to go back bullish before touching the spare. That is for sure. Okay, so gotta wait for this. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna place an alert that's gonna say, man, those heart coming strong, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Uh, GBVCHF. Okay, so what I'll do is creating a new lower low. So I'll know that this thing is getting ready. So I'm gonna leave it blue because it's not ready, but still gonna keep an eye on that pair. Entity CAD. Entity CAD, man, this fucking pair, I swear, like like I've been watching this pair since last year, just like keep tracking it because I was expecting a move from this area, and we had a move, but just never took off really. Now it looks like we are on the move here now. So the daily created a new higher high. Man, someone is sending a lot of loves. I appreciate that. Guy, smash that like button, guys. What's going on? Okay. So here the daily. Let's see. All right, so we respected our safety net here, so we're good. Weekly, we are bullish. We said it. Daily, 4 hour, 4 hours bullish. Also, I think we missed the move. Yeah. Yep. The move was like in here somewhere. Oh, that was my alert. Yeah, that was my alert. Yeah, we respected safety net here. I think it took off already. So I think the best thing now, 4 hour. Maybe the lower time frame didn't give us the entry yet though. So we flipped bearish. Bearish from there to there, and went. Yeah, man. The entry was like right here. Look at this. This is for learning purposes, guys, but right here. Look at this. All beautiful. So like 5 pips under. Well, we can play safe and under that wick if we want. So that would be like 17 pips total. So that would be like a super safe stop loss. And man, this thing, you can, let's go check it out. Daily structure would be right here. I'm gonna leave it there just for fun, just for learning purpose. I'm gonna write paper trade here, just so people don't get confused and think that I took that trade. But yeah, so just to recap here for you guys to understand why this was kind of a great entry. First, weekly is bullish since forever. Okay, since like since October 2022. Okay, so weekly is bullish forever. Daily, daily is on a continuation move right now. Okay, so we flip bullish and now we establish a new high. We got to pull back, respecting the safety net, and also retesting previous structure point. Okay, to go to the upside. Now, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame created new higher high. We have a pullback, respecting safety net. We got a nice H4 engulfing, which is beautiful. We are at a major QP right there, which is also another strong point right here. So let me establish that. Actually, major QP right here. So you see, we respected that major QP to the T, close back above. Like I said, nice engulfing on the 4 hour time frame. And we had the 1 hour to go bearish. All right, so 1 hour was bearish, and once we finally broke above here and flipped back bullish, we got a nice engulfing candle right here. Boom. Okay, so that was it. You also had like a second chance right here, with this one. But this one was the first one. This one was at midnight. So unfortunately, I would not be able to take that trade because I would be in bed. But you guys that are trading the London session, that'll be a great idea. But honestly, I would be able to grab that trade right here, right after this one, because you got this push. So here we didn't really add a pullback. We had a like kind of retest of this structure, which is great, which is a great opportunity. But my style is after creating a higher high, you wait for that engulfing. I would be able to take that trade right there at 9 a.m. Give me 1 second, guys.
je viens dessus. J'ai
Ouais.
fini fraise et chocolat.
Comment?
J'ai fini fraise et chocolat.
OK.
Puis il reste juste une mocha, fait que là, t'as pas le choix de
OK. Sorry, guys. So yeah, so that would be a great spot also to take the entry for people that trading New York session. Yeah, beautiful. So I had a couple of opportunity there for this trade. Now it's too late, but this is great for learning purposes, guys. Okay. Let me see the chat here. Let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, we have only 3 spots left for the boot camp. I didn't decide the official date yet. And yes, I'm gonna take notes of time zone and try to fit everybody at the same time. Maybe it's gonna be a weekend. Maybe it's gonna be different night or evening. So I'll try to figure out to be the best way to try to fit everybody. So yeah, so only 3 spots left because I'm taking max 12. And yes, that's about it. So, because I know that someone's gonna ask the question, throw some Forex slots on that like button. Yeah, man, let's go. Okay, so now let's move on. Okay, so now we're done with. So this one, I'm just gonna keep it blue just because I want to keep track on that paper trade, but that's about it. Let's see. We did that. Now let's go with some of your requests. So I think okay. So here we had a request for AD and ZD, AD and ZD, AD and ZD. Where are you? AUD. Oh, right here. It was far, far away. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. Let's start with the weekly. So the weekly is bearish since a while ago, since like October 2022 also. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, I had something in my okay. So we're clearly bearish here. We are bearish on a daily. Okay. Now I just don't like this. Like, look at this range on the weekly. Like, it's a pretty big range, but look at this, man. We're just fucking trapped in this area. Where's my mouse? We are trapped in this area. It's just horrible. Like, ugh, like disgusting. Like, I just don't like when pair are just ranging like this. But let's take a look at the daily. We're coming down in this mess here. Date is bearish, yes. We have a pullback. I'm pretty sure close to that golden zone. Yep. So we rejected that golden zone. 4 hour. Four is bullish. Okay, so now high low. There we go. So 4 hours bullish, date is bearish, weekly is bearish. Okay. So for sure, if you want to sell, you need to wait for that 4 hour to flip bearish. That's for sure. Yeah, I mean, like I like the structure on the daily. I just like it would be for me. It would be like more of a day trade, like and again, you want the 4 hour to go bearish, have the pullback and go down. So maybe as a day trade, but I'm not super excited about that pair since like that weekly's been like so rangy. I don't know. Yeah, not bad. Like I said, as a day trade, I just don't personally like it. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. What else? AD is in the D. We did that. Check out NU. Cancel my chat. Okay, NU. NU. Counter trend trade. Okay, okay, okay. Krish is going well, ladies and gentlemen. NZD USD, NZD USD. Where are you? NZD USD, NZD USD, NZD USD. Man, oh, here we go. Wow, I'm having a problem this morning to look for my pairs. Okay, man, feels so good. I can't wait to weight myself in 2 days. That's gonna be 3 weeks starting my 30-day reset challenge. So far in 2 weeks, I lost 15 pounds from 200 to 185, ladies and gentlemen. So those little product here, crazy shit. Like I'm shrinking. Um, I'm melting should be the right word, but okay. So let's do NZD USD. Let's start with the weekly. Weekly, we are still bullish. Okay. We finally came down to this third area of interest and rejected. Let me delete this. We didn't respect that one. But we clearly respected the 51,000 major QP. Let's do. There we go. Cool. Okay, so daily. So daily. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Let me delete this. So daily is now bearish. Daily lower low. Perfect. So we got a weekly. Like I said, weekly bullish. But if you're going for your counter trend trade, now you got your daily bearish, which is fine. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish. That's okay. So, yeah, let's update the colors. Boom and boom. Okay, so now if you're going for that counter trend trade, you want to see this pullback around this area. But all right, so you definitely want to see your pullback around this area before coming down, which would be probably the same golden zone on the daily or very close. Yeah, you see, same shit. Okay, that's good. And the weekly now you gotta understand if we're going down. Yeah, okay. So the weekly look like the weekly probably gonna have pullback also after this weekly engulfing huge rejection. So this counter trade, I like it. So good job, Krish, identifying that one. Um, of course, counter trend trade are not my favorite, but this one seems to be clean. And let's see here. We were bearish from there to there. Do we have any? Yeah, okay. So we went from there to there. Let me bring this line down. I'm super visual, guys, so that's why I'm taking the time to do this with you, and I'm sure I'm not alone. So hold on. So here, from there to there, okay, and after that we went bullish. Bullish from here to here. So right now H1 is bullish. So that's okay because we need the pullback anyways. So that's good. H1 high low. So that's great because we need H1 anyways to go here, come down, retest, take the trade. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. I'm gonna put it blue though, because it's not ready, but I'm gonna put it blue. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. I'm gonna actually place an alert here. Um, what am I saying? Entering H4 GZ. That's good. All right, cool. So that makes sense. All right, so we got a plan here. So let's see the other suggestion you guys had. What time is it? Oh shit. Okay, 8:19. Okay, we're still good. Um, mm, 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 mm. What was it also? Selling NU. Okay, we did NU. NG. NZDGPY. Okay, let's go check it out. NZDGPY. I don't know why, but NZDGPY is I really like this pair. Um, that and AUDGPY, man, made me quite a good amount of money. So kind of like those. Okay, so we got a weekly bullish data. Let me delete all this. This is old stuff. Okay, so weekly bullish, daily bearish. So that's why you said it's a counter trend trade. Mm, mm, mm. Here we go. And we got the 4-hour. Okay, so 4-hour went from there to there, and that's bearish. There we go. Okay. So now we got the daily and the 4-hour bearish. Let's go check out the weekly. Weekly looks like we can have a nice pullback here. So that makes sense. That makes sense. And you know what we can do for this? We can use the golden zone as a TP, for the counter trend trade, which is also in sync I mean, not which, but it's also in sync with previous structure point, you know. So that can be used as a TP when you're going a counter trend trade. Now, if you're looking at the daily, okay. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm gonna stop the live session once we do the boot camp, okay? Because I got a request. Are we gonna do the live session also at the same time? I got the question on my DM. Yes, I think it was yesterday or the day before. So no, I'll be pausing the live session during the time of the boot camp, but we're gonna start again right after that. So because I really want to focus with the students when I do this. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hours bearish. The only thing I don't like here is this. Like, we create a new lower low. We have a massive pullback. We came down expecting to create a new lower low, and I don't know, we kind of rejected. So, yeah, we reject twice the same area. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour is now bearish. I don't know. Yeah, no, this one not my favorite. I don't know. Maybe if we come down under this area, I don't like the fact that we reject this twice. Um, but if we do something like this and retest this area to come down, I might be more interested. So for now, no. But I'm gonna keep an eye on. So I'm gonna move it up here. Um, okay. So what else? What else? What else? What else? I think we had also a request for NZD GPY sells. Okay, we just did it. And don't forget, guys, those are counter trend trades. You're going against your weekly, right? USD CHF. Okay, that is a wild pair. Not wild, but weird pair. I don't. USD CHF sometimes can be so weird. Let's check USD CHF. All right, so we got the weekly bullish. We got a double top there on the weekly. Look like now we're coming down. Broke that neckline. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bearish. So right away we know that we're going counter trend trade. And again, this same exact thing that we did on the other pair, we can use it as a TP. Okay, we got TP there. So we got to keep in mind that like max is going to be like 188 pips. So we're going to have to check for our R. Daily, like I said, bearish. So now you want the pullback. So that's good. And let's see here. Daily golden zone. Which is also in sync with previous structure, can be like a area of interest also on the daily. And don't forget you got a major QP right here also. So if we're rejecting this before getting to the golden zone, that's something I'm going to consider if I'm trading this pair. Again, I don't know yet if I'm going to be interested in that pair. But let's see. What the fuck, man? There we go. And we're going to put major QP. Perfect. What the Sorry, guys. I'm having problem with my keyboard. What's up? Okay. Okay, so that's good. Let's take a look at the 4 hour now. So 4 hour now is bullish. It's okay because we need the pullback. Perfect. Okay, so now we just need that pullback. Yeah, okay. It's fair. It's fair. It's fair. I'm gonna put it blue. And again, counter trend trades are not my favorite, but if we have enough room, I might be willing to be interested in it. Especially that we did close like under this major QP. Now we're coming back to retest it. Look at all those major QP are well respected. Like all those wicks, man. Just look at this, man. Boom, 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 boom. Crazy, crazy. Okay. So what I'll do also, like I'm just thinking about that. But for people that join the bootcamp, I'm gonna give you access to the course probably a week before the start of the bootcamp, so you have time to go through all the videos inside the course. So when we're gonna do a bootcamp, I'm gonna explain something and talk about like quarter points theory, golden zone. Like you'll know the inside out. I do go on surface here, but the video are more into depth. Okay, so Ralph, congrats on your weight loss journey. Thanks, man. Thank you. Throw some Forex. Okay, yeah. Good morning, Sasha. FX Dog. Hope you and your family doing good. Yeah, thank you. I'm Yogi. Hope the same for you. Market are shit nowadays. They're kind of funky, to be honest. Yeah, they are a little weird lately. Was looking for GA for buys, but it fucked up. No trade for me, but check EU. One last pair looks clean for sells. EU. Oh, EU. Yeah, the second worst pair of all. This Euro USD and USD CAD. Feel like puking every time I look at those. The fuck. Can't believe you do that to me, Crush. So let's delete all this shit. This is old stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly, we are still bearish. Um, daily now. Daily went. Okay, so now we're bearish. So daily is bearish, and 4 hour now is bearish. It's not closed yet, but yeah, it's gonna be closing like in 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna put it red for now, but keep in mind this is not bearish yet, okay? Because it's not closed. Okay. So if it do close bearish, now you gotta wait for your pullback, and yeah, you can have a nice little trade there. I'm just not into Euro USD. I just hate it so bad. It's like USD CAD. Yeah. And once again, I just don't like the fact that look at this weekly. You know, we had the pullback, and now you're expecting price to go create a lower low, and we're just messing it around here. So I don't know. It's not that bad though, because it's not ranging. It's actually like it's actually trending. You got the market structure in there, but you got a market structure inside of market structure, kind of. The fact that daily flipped bearish now, yeah, it's not bad. I just ate Euro USD, but it looks good. I would like if I was trading Euro USD, I would just wait for the pullback on the H4, wait for my market structure switch on the lower time frame, and that's it. Hopefully that makes sense. Any other nice pair you guys saw? Man, we've been looking at a lot so far. Um, what about GCAD? What's going on with GCAD? Sometimes it's just go look at the weekly and can give you an idea. Holy shit! Like right now we're at a high, so we're not interested. Let's go quick. Here NZDGPY, we talked about it. We can look for like counter trend trade. Okay, 80 USD, 80 CAD. Yeah, that was dumb. GA. Oh, GA flipped bullish. Okay, so now we're bullish here. Daily. Okay. Daily bullish. Now we got the pullback, retesting previous structure, 4 hour. I think went inside that golden zone now. Yeah, we rejected right on the dot. Okay. 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 Let's take a look. 1 hour. 1 hour is bullish. H1. What am I saying? Whoops. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's take a look at the 30-minute then. Did we just find something? I think Chris said he was on GA, or you tried GA. Maybe you were a little too early in that trade. Um, so here we have a pullback. Okay, so we went bearish. Say, actually there to there, and after that we went bullish, and after that bearish, and now bullish. Okay, 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 and now we're bearish once again. It's kind of FE elbow here, but there's one. You know, if you go to the bottom, there's one. So, but that doesn't really matter, because if we want to take that trade to the upside right now, you need to wait for that pullback on the 30 minutes. So, which is the same thing on the 1 hour. You want to see that pullback. I I don't hate this trade idea here. Actually, let's put it green because it's getting ready. Let's recap this. So we got the weekly bullish. You know, I just don't like this here to the left, though. Not gonna lie. Like, there's a lot of noise here. Like, all those wick rejection. You know, so we're gonna need some solid confirmation. Um, daily, date is bullish. We're having this pullback, retesting previous structure. Okay, 4 hours bullish. We got the pullback, rejecting golden zone. 1 hour is bullish. I think Krish, I know where he got in. Krish, if you did got in, you probably got in here. And you put stop 5 pips under this wick. So that's 18.4. So let's do 19. So if you did your 3 to 1 easily. Yeah, that was the entry. That was the only, like, engulfing at the golden zone. You see, that's why it's important to wait for the pullback, because look, you had one here, you had one here. So that's important to wait the full pullback. If not, you're gonna get stopped. I learned the hard way, guys. I didn't add anyone to tell me those things. You know, I had to lose a lot of money before being able to make money. So at least you got the shortcut now. And you got the same, or you add another option here also after this 30-minute, you know. But yeah. Okay, let's delete this because I don't want people to think I took that trade, but it looks good. But yeah, definitely gonna keep an eye on this one. Wait for the pullback. Engulfing can be interesting. Uh, okay, I think we're good. What else? Oh, actually, let's check if we have another pair. Um, Euro and ZD. I think we looked at it. CAD GPY. Not interested. Euro GPY. Look at this. Euro GPY. Daily. Euro GPY. Bullish on the weekly. Bullish on the daily. 4 hour obviously went bearish. Lower high and lower low. Okay. We're about to create a new lower low here. Yep. So gotta wait here, but I think Euro GPY might be nice, around the end of the week. Um, and let me see. Yeah, we want it right around this area. So at um, daily GZ. Cool. Let's go. All right. Let's see if we have any more questions. Oh, actually, I should put this up a little bit. Here we go. Um, GA. Oh, actually, GA. We just looked at it. Good job, Krish. Entry was in Asian session at 400 and close. Waited for a pullback, but never gave. Oh, I didn't got in yet. Was looking for a pullback and engulfing on 30 minute, but it got bearish without engulfing, and now it's go bullish and it's fucked up. Yeah, but it was not bad though. So now let's wait. Let's wait for GA to show up. Maybe we're gonna have a nice trade here. Um, let me see. And got in. All right, cool. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. All right, so I think we did pretty much everything we needed to do this morning. What time is it? 8:40. Yeah, I need to run soon. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in this morning. Really appreciate every single one of you. I'm gonna be live once again on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over a Beer, which is a show where I broke down my trades during the week. Plus, we're enjoying a nice little beer out together and chit chatting. We can talk about like pretty much anything. It's just fun. Usually, the ambience is good. You guys have a lot of questions, which is amazing. And we go through them all. All right. So, thank you once again. And quick reminder: there's only 3 spots left for the bootcamp. I didn't decide the date yet. Should be like beginning of July. And it's gonna be under $500. I should have all the info by the end of this week. I'm gonna try to put like a little flyer kind of thing. I'm so busy lately. But yeah, I'll try to do that for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for joining in, guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on Thursday night. Take care.